So just a quick trade recap. I got into shorts this morning, and NQ was really the reason why. If we go to the daily chart in NQ, you can see that we've been building this wedge for quite some time, and we finally broke out of that. And it was just a lot of momentum behind it. So that's why I was immediately looking for shorts. So what I saw here, I got into shorts. I'll show you exactly my entry on the heat map, but right around 5,800. And on the footprint, you could also see right here in the morning, we bounced off of this demand zone, but there was nothing significant here. This didn't seem that strong to me, even though strong buy-in came in right after we bounced off of this demand zone. It was also very early. I was 9:34, so you kind of expect to see this kind of volatility. But right when we got into this area, what I would call like the first pullback, there was nothing going on here. Okay, so if we go to the heat map, right, that was this bounce right here. So I got in right when this area broke right here. So this was the bounce up in this area in the morning, right around 9:37 was when we had that high. Now, what I saw here were bids step in to hold price up. Now, I got in as soon as this broke, and we broke under it because that was like the line in the sand. I felt like that was the buyers that bounced price at the lows step in to try to continue this rally, but they failed, and you could see all that negative delta that hit. So that was, pay attention to this area right here at 5,800. Right when that got filled, a lot of selling came in right there. So that's where I made my entry, and I got out on this bounce here because all the negative delta that came in right before we got into that level. So if we go here, I got in around 57.99.50, about 26 points. I got out of this trade.